Welcome to UKey Wallet. In this video, you'll learn how to import your wallet on UKey Core 26 using UKey. First, press and hold the button to turn on your UKey Core, then choose your preferred language. You can check whether your device is activated for the first time or skip after 10 seconds. Then select Import Wallet and choose UKey as an import method. To protect your device, set a PIN, which can range from 4 to 50 digits. For security reasons, the device will automatically reset after 10 incorrect PIN attempts. Then confirm your PIN. You can add your fingerprint as an alternative way to unlock the device, or just skip it by tapping Not Now. Next, select the length of the recovery phrase you want to import. With UKey, there are two options when importing wallet. Select the same option you used when you originally backed up your recovery phrase to the titanium plate. First, let's import without using a serial number. Select Protection Not Turned On. Enter the codes from the titanium plate into UKey Core. Ensure that the recovery phrase is entered in its original order, then confirm to complete the import. For the second method, select Use Serial Numbers for security protection. Then enter serial number on your UKey. Next, enter the codes in the same order as they are recorded on the titanium plate. Tap Confirm and your wallet will be imported successfully. With UKey, you can easily restore your wallet without exposing the full words of your recovery phrase. Stored offline on a durable titanium plate, your recovery phrase stays secure, protected, and built to last.